something keeps pulling me back, telling me I need you in my life. Every time I try to call, something keeps telling me that. Yeah,
Slide in the building.
Every time I try to leave, something keeps pulling me back.
You got potential. You got potential.
Hey little mamas, what's poppin'? Welcome back to another video. For those that are new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So hey girl, what's poppin'? It is the weekend. Today is a Friday. It's the start of the weekend, y'all. So this video is going to be like a weekend vlog. I'm getting some stuff together because I'm going out of town next week. So we're just going to do like a little bit of like packing. We're going to go shopping. Today we're going to go to Sephora. That's the first stop because I placed the order yesterday from Sephora online, and so I'm going in there to like just pick it up, and then we're just gonna do a little browsing just to see what's going on, what Sephora got, if I need anything else, which I doubt. I don't need anything else, but yeah, we're just gonna see what they have. And then I kind of want to go to Ulta because I want to get a lip liner. So yeah, I kind of want to get a lip liner because I have not worn lip liner in so long, y'all. Like ever since COVID, like wearing masks and stuff, I just have not gone back to a lip liner. So I kind of want to get a lip liner and just see like what they have. So yeah girl, we done got a little bit of ready. I did my edges. I'm about to change this shirt to another sweatshirt because I feel like it's gonna be cold tonight. Yeah, so we're gonna switch this out. This one is just real raggedy, y'all. So I'm gonna put on a decent looking one, a better one than what I have on. So yeah, let's get ready so we can go. I don't know what purse I'm carrying. I'm probably going to carry the same purse I always carry, which is Old Faithful right here. This right here. I wear this with everything. I just need, I think my switch over here. So I'm about to put this one on. This is from Missguided. Is Missguided even around anymore? I know they closed down for a little bit, but I don't know if they're back up and running. I don't know. Let me know down below if y'all shop at Missguided, because they be having some cute stuff. So I'm wearing this sweatshirt, and then I have on some black leggings, and then they're on my Old Faithful, y'all. These New Balances. I need to get me a new pair. These are just so comfy. Like I love these. So I'm gonna wear these. These are the 530s. I'm not putting nothing on too serious because we're just going. I need some more of my ebony woods too. Y'all, I'm running low on my ebony woods. I need some more of that. I'm gonna put this on because this is like a little, you know, I just feel like it's not doing too much. But I need to buy some more of this because I'm running low. And I love my ebony woods, y'all. And I like to spray a lot. I'm not stingy when it comes to my perfumes. Okay, I still got stuff in my work bag. We gotta bring the gum. Gotta have the gum. Y'all, we gotta have gum. I'm bringing my handy dandy Summer Fridays. And I'm gonna bring this too. I like the switch. The Fenty Beauty Ice. So good. My wallet, hand sanitizer, okay, pepper spray in case we gotta pepper spray somebody if they want to try us, which I'm hoping they won't. Y'all, I've never used my pepper spray. Knock on wood. I don't want to have to use it. Okay, I think that's it. I really don't have nothing to put in this purse. I need to bring a Lysol. Where's my Lysol? Wet wipes. Vaseline when I wash my hands get dry. Y'all can't even see me. Vaseline, Lysol. Y'all, ever since I had COVID for the second time, I've been wearing my mask. I said no ma'am. Now granted, you can get COVID even if you do wear a mask, God forbid, but you just gotta be cautious. I just be throwing my stuff in here. I really just be throwing my stuff in here. Yeah, I already have a lip gloss in here. I got so many lip glosses. Here. This. Okay. Period. And of course, I'm gonna bring y'all with me. Let me show y'all what I'm looking like. My room is a hot mess. Don't mind my room. But yeah, I think we look very cute and like we look like we're going to run some errands, okay? Like, don't talk to me, I'm running my errands, okay? Period. This is cute. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all once we get to Sephora. Y'all, we made it back home. Girl, I did not even show y'all or take y'all with me when I went into these stores because I was just like in and out, in and out. Yeah, but I got y'all tomorrow because we have a lot of stuff to do tomorrow. But I got some goodies, period. Yeah, I'm so annoyed because I think it's the Drunken Elephant. I think that's the brand. Is that what it's called? Yeah, Drunk Elephant. I got the, I was supposed to get the bronzing drops with peptides. If y'all know, you know. Y'all, I have seen these on TikTok. And, like, it's sold out everywhere. They didn't have them at Sephora. They didn't have them at Ulta. Like, it was just so annoying. So, it's basically like a bronzing, like, tinted drops that go on your skin. You can mix it in with, like, your moisturizer. And it just gives you, like, that glow. Y'all, it looks so cute. I'm just so annoyed that they didn't have them anywhere. Like, it's just so annoying. Because I really wanted to wear it for my trip so I can be given, like, glowy, effortlessly. You know, just looking real glowy. So, yeah, girl, they did not have it. But I went to Ulta. But I'm going to show y'all what I got from Sephora first. So, I had to re-up on my skincare because I'm running low. So, I got me some more of the glycolic acid, the toning solution from The Ordinary. Then I got me some more of my cleanser, which is the kale and green spinach one from You to the People. And then, y'all, I'm so excited because I love the Brazilian Crush Spray, the Bum Bum Spray. It smells so good. It's the number 62 because they do have two different kinds. I like the 62. So I'm going to mix this with one of my perfumes that I have. And I'll show y'all what it's given on my vacation because I kind of want to try it while I'm on vacation and see what the vibes are. But yeah, I'm mixing this with one of my perfumes. I can't wait. So we're going to try that out. And then I had to get me some more Clinique Moisture Surge. I was trying out the Peter Thomas Water Drenching Moisturizer. But I don't think I really like that, y'all. So I'm just going back to what I know. So we're going to stick with the Clinique. And then I also got me an exfoliant. Y'all, this little bottle was $13. This little bottle. I mean, is that bad? I guess not. I don't know. It just seems very small to me, but we're going to try this out. I had got a free sample and I actually liked it. So then from Ulta, girl, why do they have the Body Shop body butters, these little mini ones for $1.22? Girl, I cannot believe this. So I got the scent coconut and then I got the one in shea butter. I just feel like this is a good little extension to have in your purse. You know, like me personally, I wash my hands a lot, so my hands be very dry. So just to have like some lotion in your purse, I just thought this was very cute. So $1.22, $1.22, you cannot beat that. So I got me two of these. I really want to go back and get some more because, and this could be a good little gift, y'all. Y'all know Christmas coming up. Y'all know Christmas is coming up. Okay, so you can get these as little stocking stuffers. I just think this is so cute and like super affordable, like $1.22. You can't even get $1 for $1, y'all. So $1.22, like, girl, go get those. And then I also got me a lip liner from NYX. This is in the color Nutmeg. This is like one of their original lip pencils. I used to use this all the time back in the day, like in high school days. They have like different types of lip pencils. I think one is a little bit more creamier. I just stuck with what I knew, y'all, because we ain't got time to be trying nothing new. So I just got me this one in the color Nutmeg, and it's like a brown. I just really wanted a brown color. I didn't want it to be too dark. And I also got me a butter gloss. Butter glosses used to be my thing, y'all. They used to be my thing. So this is in the color Ginger Snap. It's so cute. It's like a chocolate lip gloss. It's so cute, y'all. So yeah, so that is what I got from Sephora and Ulta. So I'm about to chill out because I have to get up tomorrow morning because my nail appointment is at 11. So we're getting our nails done tomorrow. And then after my nails, I'm going right beside my nail place to get my toes done. And then after that, we're getting a wax. So we're doing all of the maintenance in one day. I never had all of my appointments in one day. So we're going to see what this is giving, okay? So yeah, I'm kind of nervous about getting my wax. I'm going to a new place I've never been before. So we're going to see what the vibes are in there. But yeah, so I will see y'all probably tomorrow when we start getting ready to get our maintenance.
Feelings so deep in my feelings. Noticing you really like me. Can't control my anxiety. Feeling like I'm touching the ceiling. When I'm with you, I can't breathe. Boy, you do something to me.
Hey y'all, so it's the next day. Y'all saw me get my nails done. My nails are so cute, y'all. I just got almond shaped, and I got like a little sparkle on the French. Y'all can't really see. Let me try to show y'all. I might have to do like a separate video. Like, I don't know, I just love me a good little French tip, y'all. They're so cute. So yeah, right now I'm about to go into Target because I'm actually hungry. So I'm just gonna get me some Starbucks because I kind of don't want to get like fast food. I guess Starbucks is fast food, y'all. I don't know, but I just want to get Starbucks. So I'm gonna go into this Target because they have a Starbucks in here, and then I'm going right beside this Target to get my toes done. I was gonna go to the place that's beside my nail place, but my nail tech was like, they're not really that good. So I'm gonna go to another place she recommended me. So yeah, and I need to get some yogurt for Bella. Bella needs some more yogurt for her little food, so I'm gonna get her some Greek yogurt plain. She just eats Greek yogurt plain with nothing in it. It can't have nothing in it, y'all. So I'm gonna get that. But first things first, I need to use the bathroom. So I'm gonna have to go in Target and use the bathroom, get Bella's yogurt, and then I'm gonna get me some Starbucks, and then we're gonna get our toes done because my wax appointment is at 2:30, and right now it's like 12:33. So I have 2 hours to spare. So I'm hoping that this nail place is not too bad. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna see y'all once I get inside of Target. We're starting off the day pretty good because my nails are so cute, which I knew that they were. They're just so cute. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all once I get into Target. Hi, yes. I just wanted to get my toes done, gel.
Gel?
Mm-hmm.
You want a polish or do you want a pedicure?
Pedicure.
Okay. You want a good name of pedicure gel?
Okay. Is there a wait? Like how long do you think?
10, 15 minutes.
Okay.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you're doing what you want. But what do you want?
I don't know.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Do you be my leading lady?
Alright, y'all, so we in the car. We just got done with our feet. My feet look so good. I'm gonna show y'all once I get home. I've never been to this place. I think I said that. Yeah, they did a really good job, y'all, and the wait wasn't that bad. I was waiting probably like 10-15 minutes, but it's okay because like I said, I do have my wax appointment at 2:30, and right now it's 2:16. So we got out at a good time because I just didn't want to be sitting for a long time waiting, not doing nothing. But yeah, I have a headache. I have not eaten at all today, and I've barely been drinking water because I didn't want to pee a lot because I'm getting my wax, y'all. So I tried to like not drink that much water. But girl, I'm ready to go home so I can eat, honey. I might give me something to eat, but I've been chewing on these this popcorn, the Pirate's Booty, y'all. But yeah, we're heading to our wax appointment, y'all. I always get a little nervous when I'm about to get a wax, because I'm just like, I'm about to really be busting it wide open. Like, that's really what it's about to be given right now. But I know they done seen all different types, you know, so it's just like, let me just get it together because it's not that serious. This is their job, okay? So yeah, I'm and my phone is dying. I only got 20% and I don't have no charger. But I'm gonna see y'all once I get inside. I'm gonna try to record. I don't know what the vibe's gonna be, but I'm gonna record when I get in there. And yeah, I'm getting my underarms in Brazilian, so we doing the whole 9, baby. We doing the whole 9. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all once we get inside of the wax place. And the name of it, if you live in Matthews, North Carolina, the name of it is Sweet Honey Brazilian, I think. Is it called Sweet Honey? Yeah, Sweet Honey Brazilian Wax. And I'm literally only like 4 minutes away. So yeah, I'm glad about that because it's 2:18. So let me get over there, because knowing me, I would be late and I'm right down the street. Like, how does that even work? But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna see y'all once I get inside. Alright, y'all, so we made it back home. I've been home for a little minute. I think the last time I talked to y'all was when I was on the way to getting my wax. Girl, I couldn't even record in there because the pain was a 10 out of 10. I had to focus because I could not record in there, y'all. Like, it was, yeah, 10 out of 10, okay? And I'm not exaggerating. Like, it was a little painful. But it was a really good spot. It's called Sweet Honey Brazilian Wax. It's in Matthews, North Carolina. If you live in North Carolina or Charlotte area, it's probably like 34 minutes away from me. It's not too bad. But yeah, I had a really good experience, y'all. I had a girl, I think her name was Aubrey. I can't remember, but she did a really good job, y'all. So I would definitely be going back again. I already booked my next appointment. But yeah, it was a good experience. So I'm at home. I got these eye masks on, y'all, because my eyes are just like so puffy and achy. Like, I don't know if it's because I've been on my phone a lot. It probably is. Like, my eyes, yeah, I don't know. But yeah, y'all, so I just wanted to come on and end the video. I think I'm gonna do a pack with me separately in a separate video, so make sure you stay tuned because we have a lot of stuff to pack, y'all. I have like new outfits and everything that I need to put together to make sure that it's actually gonna look right. Yeah, so I feel like that video is gonna be pretty good, so make sure you're subscribed so you won't miss out. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch y'all in my next one. Peace.